Most people draw freckles completely wrong, and that's why their skin looks flat instead of realistic. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a hyper-realistic nose with natural-looking freckles that actually blend into the skin. Let's start building the form. I always begin with very light lines because noses don't really have harsh outlines. Most of what you are seeing is soft transitions between light and shadow. Now I'm going to map out the major shadows. The sides of the bridge, underneath the tip, around the nostrils. I'm using really light values here because realistic skin is built gradually. If you go too dark, too early, it becomes much harder to create that soft skin texture later. As I blend, I'm going to follow the direction of the form. Think about the nose like a three-dimensional sculpture. The light is hitting the top plane while the sides curve away into the shadow. Those subtle gradients are what creates the illusion of depth. And by the end, you will know the layering technique that makes charcoal and graphite look almost photographic. Once the structure feels solid, I can start pushing the darker values. I'm switching to a softer, darker pencil to deepen the nostrils and shadow areas. One of the biggest mistakes people make is treating freckles like random dots sitting on top of the skin. In this video, I will show you how to make them look embedded into the surface naturally. Now for the most satisfying part, the freckles. The secret is variation. Real freckles are uneven in size, softness, spacing, and value. If they're all identical, they instantly look fake. I'm using a sharp pencil to create tiny, irregular shapes instead of perfect circles. Some freckles are barely visible, while others are darker and sharper. I also cluster them more heavily across the bridge of the nose and let them gradually scatter outward toward the cheeks. I lightly soften a few of them with a blending stump or brush. This pushes some freckles deeper into the skin while leaving others sharper on the surface. That layered effect is what creates realism. To finish the drawing, I'm lifting out tiny highlights with a kneaded eraser and a white eraser pencil. I'm adding subtle shine to the tip of the nose and tiny pores around the freckles. That contrast between dark detail and tiny highlights is what gives skin that realistic, alive appearance. Realistic skin is all about patience, layering, and controlling your values. If you enjoyed this tutorial, comment below what facial features you want me to draw next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial. Happy drawing!